which are coming from the... So here's the sound, guys.
This video is from 2020 where a loud noise could be heard. Last year in May, a mysterious loud noise was heard across Bengaluru, which rattled many citizens as theories and rumors about the major boom spread like wildfire. Soon the Indian Air Force revealed that it was an NYOOOZ test flight involving a supersonic profile which took off from the Bengaluru airport, resulting in the sonic boom. Today, the residents of Bengaluru are wondering if they heard a sonic boom in the city. Twitter is flooded with tweets from residents of Bengaluru who heard a loud sound this morning. While the sound was muted in some areas, some residents shared that their windows rattled due to the impact of the sound. As per the tweets, the sound was heard in Sarjapur area, JP Nagar, Benson Town, Ulsur, ISRO Layout, HSR Layout, South Bengaluru, and East Bengaluru. News Desk.